You're demons. Demons.
No, you can't have any meow-juana. No, nope, stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my.
Oakley, go get me a drink. Yes, good girl. Good job. Good girl. Can you go shut the door? Go shut the door. Go shut the door. Yes, good girl. Come here. Come here. So here's the vet bill from today. Not sure how you're gonna pay that. You do live rent-free here, and I do pay for your food, so maybe get a job.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Go.
He just did a little smile.
It's the first time I've ever seen snow.
Yeah.
Me too. When I went on her page and seen her pictures, I said...
Get a husky, they said. They're a lot of fun, they said. They're very cute and smart and intelligent, they said. They play with you and they laugh.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody. Help. Help. Help.
No, it would make the relationship too weird. We can't. We have to stay friends.
Bingo. May spider sa likod mo. May spider sa likod mo. Yan na.
Came home and this was on the ground spilled. It was full.
Literally to the brim.
Kitten.
Bro, get a job. Over here drinking, watching the 70s Steelers. Bro, get a job.
When
you're not allowed out because it's raining.
I just realized that my dog is 9 years old and I never told him my name.
My name is Jen.
just vicious. It's alright, kitty. Watch out.
Food right there all day. But when these snacks come out, they get to going crazy. Come on, man. Don't be jumping up there like that. You gonna hurt yourself.
Why are you yelling at me now? Meow. It's the second I get a...
Me too. When I went on her page and seen her pictures, I said, "Oh, jump scare." Oh.